Hey Science Whizzes! Welcome back to PolyQuiz. How well do you really know the human body? Let's put your knowledge to the test with this 40 general body quiz and find out. All right, let's dive in.
Which organ allows us to hear sounds? Ears, eyes, or nose? That's right, the ears. What part of the body allows tasting food? Teeth, nose, or tongue? Good thinking, the tongue. Think carefully. What is the main function of the heart? Digest food, control thoughts, or pump blood? Correct. The heart pumps blood. Which body part protects the brain, rib cage, spine, or skull? Good observation, the skull. Which organ is responsible for balance? Brain, inner ear, or eye? That's right, the inner ear. Which organ is responsible for thinking? Liver, lungs, or brain? The brain. Good answer. What gas do humans exhale? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? It's carbon dioxide. Good thinking. Which organ controls the nervous system? Heart, brain, or lungs? That's right, it's the brain. What is the main job of the kidneys? Filter waste, digest food, or store oxygen? Correct, filter waste. Which mineral is important for strong bones? Calcium, sodium, or potassium? You got it, it's calcium. How many kidneys does a healthy human have? 1, 2, or 3? Exactly, 2. Which blood cells carry oxygen? Red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets? Well done, red blood cells. What is the strongest bone in the human body? Femur, rib, or skull? Correct. It's the femur. Which organ helps us breathe? Heart, kidneys, or lungs? That's right, the lungs. Which muscle separates the chest from the abdomen? Diaphragm, biceps, or triceps? That's correct, the diaphragm. How many teeth does an adult usually have? 28, 30, or 32? "32. Good answer. What is the largest internal organ? Brain, liver, or lungs? That's correct, the liver. How many chambers does the heart have? 4, 2, or 6? Exactly. The heart has 4 chambers. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas, liver, or kidney? That's right, the pancreas. What part of the body produces saliva? Tongue, teeth, or salivary glands? Good thinking, the salivary glands. What connects muscles to bones? Ligaments, tendons, or cartilage? Correct, tendons. Which bone protects the lungs and heart? Spine, pelvis, or rib cage? Good thinking, the rib cage. Which part of the eye controls light entry? Retina, pupil, or cornea? That's right, it's the pupil. How many senses do humans traditionally have? 5, 6, or 7? That's right, 5. Which organ stores bile, liver, gallbladder, or pancreas? Well done, the gallbladder. Which body part contains the smallest bones? Hand, foot, or ear? Good thinking, the ear. What bone is located in the upper arm? Humerus, radius, or femur? Good job, the humerus. What is the soft tissue that cushions joints? Muscle, tendon, or cartilage? It's cartilage. Well done. Which organ removes toxins from the blood? Liver, heart, or lungs? That's right, the liver. Which part of the body allows bending of the arm? Shoulder, elbow, or wrist? It's the elbow. Good observation. What pigment gives skin its color? Keratin, melanin, or collagen? That's correct, melanin. Which tissue allows movement of the body? Bone, nerve, or muscle? You got it, muscles. How many vertebrae are in the spine? 33, 24, or 40? Exactly, 33. Which organ produces urine, bladder, kidneys, or liver? That's right, the kidneys. What is the body's main protective covering? Muscle, bone, or skin? Correct, the skin. Which part of the body pumps oxygenated blood? Lungs, heart, or brain? Well done, the heart. Which bone forms the forehead? Frontal bone, nasal bone, or jaw? Exactly, the frontal bone. Which organ absorbs nutrients from food? Stomach, small intestine, or colon? Good observation. The small intestine. Which body part connects the foot to the leg? Heel, ankle, or toe? Nicely done. The ankle. Which organ helps break down food with acid? Stomach, liver, or pancreas? That's right, the stomach. What part of the body stores urine? Kidney, bladder, or urethra? Correct, the bladder. Which body system controls hormones? Nervous system, digestive system, or endocrine system? Awesome, the endocrine system. What protects the spinal cord? Rib cage, skull, or spine? Well done, the spine. Which part of the body contains fingerprints? Fingers, palm, or wrist? Correct, the fingers. Which system fights infections? Immune system, digestive system, or respiratory system? That's right, it's the immune system. Which organ is essential for speech? Tongue, pharynx, or larynx? Good thinking, the larynx. What type of joint is the knee? Ball joint, hinge joint, or pivot joint? Good thinking, it's a hinge joint. Which organ helps regulate body temperature? Skin, liver, or heart? Excellent, it's the skin. Which body part helps maintain posture? Neck, spine, or chest? That's right, the spine. Which organ is responsible for memory? Brain, heart, or lungs? Perfect, the brain. That concludes today's video. If you want videos like this, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest videos. Drop your thoughts about this video in the comments below. See you soon.